Welcome to DepEd TV. Join me for a fun day of learning. You and I with Teacher Shaddai. This is English Hour. I am so looking forward to this episode, and there are reasons for that. First, it's because it's with you, my grade 6 learners, and second, this is our lesson on noting details. Now, I would like to present a short selection about the different teachers who are working in the same school. But before we proceed, I want you to get a pen and paper so you can take note of important details. Miss Reyes teaches English. Mr. Cruz teaches math. Mr. Pedro teaches Araling Panlipunan. And Mrs. Santos teaches science. They have been friends since college and are working in the same school, Rizal Elementary School. They are teaching grade 6 pupils. The teachers have their individual skills and talents. Miss Reyes is good in dancing. Mr. Cruz is good in singing. Mr. Pedro is good in painting, while Mrs. Santos is good in cooking. The grade 6 pupils love their teachers dearly. Did you understand the selection? If yes, you can now answer my questions. Number 1. What was the selection all about? Answer: the selection was all about the teachers in a certain school. Number 2. Who are the characters mentioned in the selection? Answer: the characters mentioned in the selection are Miss Reyes, Mr. Cruz, Mr. Pedro, and Mrs. Santos. Number 3. What subjects do they teach? Answer: Miss Reyes teaches English. Mr. Cruz teaches math. Mr. Pedro teaches Araling Panlipunan. And Mrs. Santos teaches science. Number 4. What are the interesting facts about the teachers as mentioned in the story? Answer: they have been friends since college and are working in the same school, Rizal Elementary School. They are teaching grade 6 pupils. The teachers have their individual skills and talents. Number 5. Why do you think their pupils love them so dearly? Answer: their pupils love them so dearly because they are skillful and talented. Good work, kids! You were able to answer all my questions because you understood the selection and you were able to note the important details of the story. Am I right? Great! Remember, noting details is a reading comprehension skill that involves picking out from a text a particular piece or pieces of information to achieve a given purpose, such as answering a question on a test. When one notes details, he keeps a brief record of something on a piece of paper. Now, kids, I have a task for you. Directions. Read the paragraph and note the important details. Pedro went for a bike ride. He rode around the barangay. He met some girls he knew from school. They all headed to the farm to play. Pedro had a great time playing games with his friends. Done? Awesome! Let us see if you understood the passage by answering this task. Choose the correct word in each sentence. Number 1. Pedro went for a bike, car, ride. Answer: bike. Number 2. He rode around the block, barangay. Answer: barangay. Number 3. Then he met some boys, girls he knew from school? Answer: girls. Great, kids! These are the details given in the story. What is the importance of noting details? Whenever you are reading, you should be constantly noting the important details. When discussing reading comprehension, think of details as the individual features, facts, or particulars in the text. These details are essential in developing your reading comprehension. And now, kids, let us see if you understood the lesson. I want you to do this task. Pen and paper ready? Yes. Directions. Find anyone in your house to read the story with you. Then take turns in answering the questions. Write your answers on your paper. Enjoy learning! Blackie's story. I see and hear many things at night. I look at the sky and see the moon and stars. The leaves make noise when the wind blows. I see a brown cricket and a cockroach fly across the ceilings. I hear other dogs howling at the moon all night long. At this time, kids, you may answer the following questions. Number 1. When does Blackie see and hear many things? Number 2. What does Blackie see in the sky? Number 3. What makes noise in the wind? Number 4. What color is the cricket? Number 5. What howls at the moon? Are you done, kids? Perfect! This time, let us answer the following questions. Number 1. When does Blackie see and hear many things? Answer: Blackie sees and hears many things at night. Number 2. What does Blackie see in the sky? Answer: Blackie sees the moon and stars. Number 3. What makes noise in the wind? Answer: the leaves make noise when the wind blows. Number 4. What color is the cricket? Answer: the cricket is colored brown. Number 5. What howls at the moon? Answer: the dogs howl at the moon. Are you done checking? What was your score? Did you get the correct answers? Excellent! Oh, do you hear the clock ticking? Uh-huh. Yes, it's recap time. Noting details is vital to reading comprehension. In fact, it can be said that noting details is the foundation of literal comprehension and comprehension as a whole. The meaning of noting details is the comprehension of something that one has written down on paper. This may be a statement, a quote, a definition, or a phrase one may have written down in order to remember things. Noting details in the story or selection read is answering who, what, where, when, why. Oh my! What time is it? It's test time. Pens ready? Check. Sheets of paper ready? Check. Here's what you're going to do. You can surely note the details as you read the short story. Answer the questions that follow. We read and view. We, the grade 6 class, went to see the movie last Saturday.
We got permission slips signed before we left the school.
We watched a movie that told the story from a book we read. We love it when movies are made from books. We got to the movie early so we could buy popcorn. Some of us bought curls and fries too. We all enjoyed watching the movie. When we returned to school, we talked about things that were in the movie and the book. We all agreed that we liked the book better. Books let you picture the characters in any way you want to. It was fun to compare the movie to the book. Answer the questions. Number 1. Who watched the movie? Number 2. Where did the students go? Number 3. What did the students need to do before going to the movie? Number 4. When did the students watch the movie? Number 5. Why are books better than movies? All right, time's up. Let us now check our answers. Number 1. Who watched the movie? Answer: the grade 6 class watched the movie. Number 2. Where did the students go? Answer: the grade 6 class went to the movie. Number 3. What did the students need to do before going to the movie? Answer: they needed to get permission slips. Number 4. When did the students watch the movie? Answer: the students watched last Saturday. Number 5. Why are books better than movies? Answer: books let you picture the characters in any way you want to. Wow! You all did great! 2 shoulder taps on the left, 2 shoulder taps on the right. High five! Today, we learned more about noting details. Yes, we all did! Believe together we can. This has been another day of thinking, doing, and learning right here in your favorite classroom on TV, English Hour. This has been your teacher Shaddai saying, learn English today and your dreams are just a word away. Keep it right here on DepEd TV.